Okay, so received something from LAZADA. High time I got a new one. Sure, I have this Boblo body camera, but you know, my old camera, I have an SJCAM and a Supremo cameras. They're kinda on the old side, beat up, and you know, they're on their way out. More than 5 years, maybe 6 years old already. 8 years pa yata yung SJCAM. I don't recall exactly, but you know, it's high time that I get another action camera. The one that I'm using is a Boblo body camera, but you know, it's good to have an action camera. So I have an action camera, or ordered a new action camera around 5,900 pesos all in all. That already includes the memory card. So in addition to the action camera, I also got a memory card for it, and all in all it's around 5,900 pesos. So let's see what we have. What kind of camera did I get? Okay, so it's wrapped okay, wrapped in bubble wrap, nice and safe. Nice and safe. Let's see what we have here. Ano lang to? Is there something inside? Let's open it up. If there's something inside. Yep, there is something inside. Good thing I didn't throw it away. There's something inside. There's the memory card. Memory card. Supposedly, since it's from the same vendor, hopefully it will work just fine with the action camera. 128 gigabytes, around 900 pesos. 900 pesos, 5,900, so around 5,000 pesos yung camera itself. Sa set, may mga mounts na siya and everything. So let's take a look at this. And here we have the camera. It's Akaso brand V50X model. Around 5,000 pesos. What's in the box? You have the action camera itself, and then you have the waterproof case. You know, par for the course with action cameras. They usually come with their own waterproof casing, unless the camera itself is waterproof, diba? They typically come with their own waterproof case. Then there's the remote control. Yung Supremo camera ko may remote control yon, but I didn't really use it, so I don't know if I'll also use the remote control with this camera. And then you have the battery charger, and then the battery, supposedly there's two batteries that come with this. We'll see. Supposedly dalawang battery siya. And then of course you have the mountings. May helmet mount, you know, ini-stick mo, or and I think this one is the strap, ini-strap dun sa bicycle helmet. And then of course you have the USB cable for charging, and then some more mounts, handlebar mount, and then straps and zip ties, and then of course the quick guide. We'll see. Let's open it up and check inside. Sliding it out. Slide it out on the floor. There you go. There you have the camera itself, looking good. Camera inside the waterproof case. How do you get it out without unscrewing? We'll figure it out later. Let's check what's inside. You have the quick startup guide. You have the straps. You have some mounts. The remote control. More straps and mounts. Clip mount, you know, par for the course. You have the charger, and then more camera mount. So far so good. You have one battery. No, 1350 milliampere hour. And I was right, there are two batteries. Hooray! So if you expect one battery to be good for 1.5 to 2 hours, so another battery 3 to 4 hours operation. And then you have some more mounting, the handlebar mount, more mounts, and more mounts. Oops, let's put the back together muna. Tumalsik. What is this? Extra back part for the waterproof case. What is this for? Maybe for additional mount? I don't know. Is it in the quick start guide? What the heck this is? It's not. Some more straps and tapes, and then there's the microfiber cloth. Now I have no idea what this is for. Pang tawag doon, pang wrench for stuff, I don't know what for. And you have the USB. Man, is something missing? There seems to be something missing. There seems to be something missing, man. Let's double check. I mean, supposedly there, see, my external mic. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I ordered it. May external mic dapat. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to order an external mic for this. Supposedly, may external mic dapat. USB lang yung nakalagay for charging. Wala. I'm gonna have to check my order, see if there's a mistake in the order or mali lang yung pagkaintindi ko, but there's supposed to be an external camera, external mic that came with the camera. Ay, excited pa naman ako. Delivered siya relatively on time. Pero may kulang. At least kompleto yung camera tsaka yung memory card. But there's no microphone, man. There's supposed to be an external microphone that came with it. Wala. Oh. Tabi muna natin itong bag na to just to be on the safe side. But there's nothing. Baka mali lang yung pagkaintindi ko, pero check ulit na. I'll have to check the ad sa LAZADA if I had clicked the right button. But yeah, overall excited. New camera, Akaso, and supposedly there's support for external camera. Kung hindi man kasama yung external camera dun sa order ko, I'm gonna have to order another one. I'm gonna have to order an external mic for this. But yeah, excited. Akaso brand V50X model.